Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari lays foundation stone for Barak and Makru bridges. Nitin Gadkari announced 22,000 crore rupees package for construction of roads in Manipur. Chief Minister Okram Bibobi Singh urges Union Ministers Nitin Gadkari and Prakash Javadekar to request the Prime Minister to advise the UNC to end the blockade. Is BJP Manipur facing internal crisis? Two aspiring candidates accuse BJP leadership of holding political conference at the last minute. And DM Rao Awang Sekmai defeated Nako Nambul Mapal to enter quarters of CC Mint. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laitangwa Monica with the latest news updates. Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari today lays the foundation stone for the Barak and Makru bridges on National Highway number 37, Imphal-Ziribam Road. The foundation laying ceremony was held at Ziribam Higher Secondary School playground. BJP Manipur in charge Prahlad Singh Patel, President of BJP Manipur Pradesh KSH Bhavananda and Chief Secretary of Manipur O. Nabakishore attended the foundation laying function. The Union Minister said the Imphal-Ziribam Road will be repaired within 3 years. He said the two bridges will be completed within 32 to 34 months. He also says other 22 projects will also be completed by 2018. Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways and Shipping Nitin Gadkari also laid the foundation stones for 17 projects for construction of 493-kilometer road. The Union Minister also announced a package of 22,000 crore rupees for construction of roads which will be completed within 2 to 3 years. The Minister launched the projects at the function held today at the 1st Manipur Rifles ground. Union HRD Minister Prakash Javadekar, Chief Minister Okram Bibobi Singh, MP Prahlad Singh Patel, Social Welfare Minister A.K. Mirabai, President of BJP Manipur Pradesh KSH Bhavananda, BJP leader T.H. Chauba and MLA K.H. Joykishan were among those present at the function. Nitin Gadkari observed that people in the state are facing inconveniences due to the deplorable condition of roads. He said the central government is doing all it can to improve infrastructure in the northeast. The Union Minister said in the next 2 to 3 years, people will see a new Manipur. National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited has been given the responsibility to repair Imphal-Ziribam Road. Nitin Gadkari further stated that the 100 crore rupees has already been sanctioned for the repair of this road and tenders will be announced very soon for quality construction of the road.
Honorable Chief Minister was giving me the reference about the maintenance of the road, particularly this section of NH 53. Already I have taken a decision. We have issued a notification and now this road is transferred from BRO to NHIDCL and I am expecting from road construction of 1 lakh crores from this corporation, which has already started the works more than 40,000 crores in Northeast. We have already allotted 100 crores because I know that the 3 crores are not sufficient. So 100 crores already we have sanctioned. But sir, I am giving it to NHIDCL, not state government.
Chief Minister Okram Bibobi Singh has urged the two union ministers Nitin Gadkari and Prakash Javadekar to intervene in the economic blockade and request the Prime Minister to advise the UNC to end the blockade. In his speech, the Chief Minister expressed his gratitude at the laying of foundation stones for several projects to develop transport and communication in the state by the union ministers. However, he expressed his apprehension about the delay in the completion of the projects. Bibobi said in the last 15 years, the state government has spent more than 300 crore rupees on the maintenance of the national highways. He said the ministry allotted only 3 crore rupees when the state government requested for the centre's assistance for the construction of 350-kilometer national highway.
Nitin Gadkari ji and Prakash Javadekar ji, please advise to the Honorable Home Minister, if possible to the Honorable Prime Minister, please immediately intervene. Those whether UNC, whether NSCN, who are them? Like them, there are a lot of underground connected in the valley also, lot of mountain species there. So this is my humble appeal and request. For last many years, like this, always they are playing this national highway as their tool.
Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh once again reiterated that the creation of 7 new districts has nothing to do with the upcoming assembly elections. Speaking at the inaugural function of the 33/11 kV substation and a community hall at Kakching, Okram Ibobi Singh says the government wishes to ensure that the district headquarters are easily accessible to the people. He clarified that due to the other pending projects, the government could not announce the creation of the new districts earlier. The Chief Minister said it is baseless to charge the government with not consulting the stakeholders before creation of these districts. He said such decisions are not made in a public forum. The creation of new districts is to ensure development in both the hills and valley and for better administration. Okram Ibobi says there will be peace and harmony when both the hills and valley are equally developed. The newly inaugurated substation at Kakching Mahadev was constructed under the Restructured Accelerated Power Development and Reforms Program by the Ministry of Power.
January, February, March da masi lautu amba yabani karino kanagumba political party khana di election maya da tawsibu nahana mangjawna na tawdra haini mangjawna na tawrodi kana khangani akoina lotioning ba project mayam le major irrigation project, Thoban project, Dolai Thabi project, atai power project ki equipment mayam jingsi pusalakata base hujikti except ama aninatana almost pusala aga hujikti Thoban project easily we can complete. Dolai Thabi project masigi chance tanja chi akhoi yengaga ngai leibaneba adu natragadi sahi amani mamangda akhoi lauthomba yabani Dr. Narana government si transparency leite mayam tanade tu public ta wane na akhoi mayam tanaram de sibu mam top khalang ngangna ba yabu wara ba masina.
Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla has wished the people on the occasion of Nupilal. In her message, Najma Heptulla says Nupilal not only represents one of the popular agitations against extreme exploitation through a form of socio-economic and political system executed by the joint feudalistic colonial rule, but also was a movement influenced and to a certain extent supported by the emerging educated elites from political reforms in Manipur. She said, till today, the role played by the present Manipuri women will also follow the true spirits of the Manipuri women in the past. Is BJP Manipur Pradesh facing internal crisis? 2 BJP aspiring candidates have accused the BJP Manipur leadership of halting their political conference at the last minute today. Supporters of BJP aspiring candidate Sapam Keba of Patsoi this afternoon attempted to storm the party office at Nityai Pachutek after the BJP leaders allegedly prevented the aspiring candidate from holding a political conference just before the commencement of the event. Police dispersed the crowd by firing smoke bombs, tear gas cells at the gates of the BJP office. People assembled at Tera Sapam Leirak Machin where one-day political conference of Sapam Keba was scheduled from 11 in the morning. They waited as Union Minister Prakash Javadekar and other party leaders were scheduled to speak at the conference. However, convener of BJP Manipur Election Committee T.H. Chawba says he will not be able to attend the conference. Sapam Keba and his supporters then marched till the BJP office shouting slogans. They were stopped by the police at Kaisampat. They, however, prevailed over the police and marched towards the BJP office. As the situation became volatile, police fired tear gas cells and smoke bombs to control them.
Contribution Aina Maduganda, me listening to Sri Babanaji, Sri Chauji, Ato, Meming Palaga, Mayum Jatra, meeting a shit over Tarina, Relegi कंसेन बोलर बने अदुगा लीडे तौबद चप्पा यारोय हाइने सिबु करम्बा दोल चनगदबनो आई पार्टी सी चपताब वारी सानिगिनी स्वाइगे सोता मता तोखो आई सो मथक चपचाना मी लेबा मिने आई मकोई के चपचाना पौदंगनी मकोई के दुम याम तुक चब ट्रेसे से सोइबा अदुगा मकोई के दुम नपथाक तोबदो आई सोइ दन मोदी जी पौदंगने
आई की प्रचार खोजबने आई की दे बीजेपी की टिकट फंगद्रगसु तौ संग मणिपुर बीजेपी ना चुम बखदि तरोकनी खंजरुबा ngasi de बीजेपी ना आरान ब तौबसे सिमतंग दि तौबिगनु
At the day political conference organized by BJP Hengang Mandal at Hengang Mayai Lekai Sport and Development Committee ground, BJP aspiring candidate Pangaizam Sarat Chandra publicly demanded BJP Manipur Pradesh to expel him from the party. Sarat Chandra said the BJP national leaders at the centre are true party leaders, whereas the leaders in Manipur are hiding behind the curtains of BJP and it is appropriate to call them Bhikhari Jat party. He says the political conference attended by many people from 45 polling stations of Hengang was approved by the leader of BJP Manipur Pradesh, T.H. Chaubo, and 2 union ministers who confirmed their participation. All of a sudden, the president of BJP Manipur Pradesh directed the conference to be called off or else former MLA of Hengang Nongthombam Biren would quit BJP. Sarat Chandra said distancing from BJP does not mean he will not win the election. He said he wanted to fight election for the development of the constituency, which has been neglected for the last 15 years.
Hengang Kendra Gidi Parzali Singh Kunithoi na Shogat Piriba Nungsi Piriba Waza Sarana Hengang Kendra Gidi Bort Choi the Karani Havase Makuishu Kang Nakana Karigi Damaktai political conference over Tingibano Manipuda BJP Sasanjay President Babanand and Lakpapam Day Union Minister Anika Adagi Purgam Yaur Lakpudu Madhu Tindragadi Aigashidagi BJP the resign Togani Adu BJP leader Kudimanaya Mana High Kari High Ma resign Toxicano Sahi Marigi Matawadu Lava Bosuka Gadama Sarat Lena Ma Sangak Padamana resigned over the Kari Kiningai Lebage.
People today held a sit-in was today against the threats of an active worker of Mayang Imphal Block Congress Committee by BJP aspiring candidate Kongkham Robindro. Speaking at the sit-in at Mayang Imphal Multipurpose Hall, Media Cell Chairman of the committee Thogdam Modhu said Robindro threatened to kill Laisram Kunjeshwar on phone yesterday. He said Robindro should be held responsible if something undesirable happens to Kunjeshwar. Education and Transport Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar also took part in the sit-in. Various placards were displayed and a rally was also taken out by the protesters.
Maxi Mayapanda, Mayapang constituency da, Yangrava Mili Sinkutragi, representative Oine Mana, post or is a mathematic Jade, Aduna. I quit Congress Committee, learning a man Pandale Paza Kudimana, Marco condemned away, Magachigumba, Tongi, Torbokidamakta, Angasi, Ikoina, Maduki Pin the Bokidamakta, Mampan Kendrigi, Ikoi, Honorable Minister Masamak Yauna, Nasi, Ikoi, Pampan Bazar Leba, Puza Mandirgi, Mamangs Daiko Mam Darna, Tojeribe, Ateka Sunate, Mana Siguma, and Democratic Weba, Sigumba, Wangang Watamayam Tobase, condemned away.
Chief Electoral Officer Vivek Kumar Devangan says with the creation of 7 new districts, the summary revision of electoral rules will continue till January 2. He says the demarcation of boundary will be cross-checked and the Election Commission of India has advised the state to follow Telangana model in creating new assembly constituencies. He said the Election Commission of India has issued instruction of mapping out and identifying vulnerable and critical areas so that the final results may change. The gender ratio as per current electoral rules is 1047 and the elector population ratio is 57.43%. Total number of votes is 21,18,794, while the number of election photo identity card EPIC holders is 18,98,056. Unlike in the past elections, the vehicles utilized will be registered and hiring charge will be deposited in the vehicle owners' bank accounts. BJP Singjamai Working Committee took out a rally against economic blockade today in Singjamai. Various placards that read, "We support demonetization, economic blockade harms common people," etc. were displayed at the rally. People who took part in the rally expressed that demonetization may cause temporary inconveniences, however, it is good for the future. The economic blockade by the United Naga Council, UNC, has caused immense hardships to the common man. They appealed to UNC to call off the blockade. They also demanded resignation of the government on moral grounds. They also said Manipur has seen frequent economic blockade during the 15-year rule of the Congress government. Manipur State Commission for Women celebrated the 10th Foundation Day at Rans Bhavan Banquet Hall today. Members of the commission, representatives of various civil society organizations and women's organizations took part in the celebration. Prizes were distributed to the winners of higher secondary and college level essay competition organized by the commission earlier. Governor Dr. Najmai Haptullah did not attend the celebration as says Andale. Speaking at the event, Vandana Karki, DIG, said even though women have been making great contribution to the development of the state, crimes against women still continue.
With the need felt for strengthening the police to tackle crime against women and addressing their grievances, women police stations have been established in all districts. These women police stations are totally manned by women personnel only. Crime against women like rape, kidnapping, outraging their modesty, domestic violence, stalking, voyeurism, etc. are being dealt with by these women police stations, and several cases have been charge sheeted too.
Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates.
Angels Coaching Center, Uripok Polem Laikai, Imphal. Admission starts for Class 10 Revision and Class 1 to 10 Foundation. Our achievements: 11 position holders in 2013, 2014 and 2015, 20 position holders in 2016, including first positioner.
There is an unparalleled coaching center in Manipur. I see success in Angel Coaching Yarn Body, Sunga Mama, I see success in Sunga
Pauzen Zaba. Northeast India Development Party asi iramda Manipur gi chakwa thorangi damakta hiram khuding da kathokpaga loinana apunbagi pangalama sagaliba political party amani NEIDP na lisani tara tarita pangthoka doriba taramanthoi suba Manipur Legislative Assembly mikhalda party asigi damakta miyagi mahut sinduna leibaki thodang lobina bagi damakta tampaki constituency nifumakta mirep oibiningba madik charabam de leibaki chana kanglon gi oina akaiba leiti habi khudam leibiba masa masagi constituency da miyagi support fanglaba miyoi sina paujada sipizari arepa apamba leibiba sina isagi biodata makada pizari basari yohon birakna kanganzari ba Northeast India Development Party Sagolban Tera Lakrakon Beka Imphal West. Admissions open. Temple of Learning School gi admission hauzare loinana school lasena chahi tarama pung farak pagi harau tayam phongdok paga iroinana satra sing naming chanbada khudong chaba kayam pizari khudong chaba sing asi akaknaba sit khara khakini thu naming chanbiyu khudong chaba sing si manghan biganu akupa marol gidamak Temple of Learning Kanchipurda contact tobiyu.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Impact TV OFC cable line along Sagolban was smashed by a heavy object by some unidentified people on the intervening night of December 9 and 10 near Bizoy Govinda Thangapat area. The lines were deliberately cut ahead of a live political program to be telecast exclusively by Impact TV on December 10. We do not know the result for such action, but we would like to appeal to those who carried out the act not to repeat it, as it has affected the rights of several consumers. As the cable has been damaged in several places, efforts are on to restore them, and we appeal to our consumers to understand the issue. We also appeal to our consumers to report any suspicious activity around cable wires passing through your neighborhood, as attack on it will impact all consumers as well as the service of Impact TV operators. We regret the inconvenience caused by the disruption. ECHL club Nagamapal has warned of blocking Reams Road if the repairing of the road is not completed soon. It may be mentioned that a sewage project was damaged by the earthquake which occurred on the 4th of January this year, and since September 28, the repairing work has been going on for the same. President of ECHL club Soram Rajendra Kumar says people suspect that quality has not been maintained in the construction. He further said Soram Leirak road is now in a deplorable condition since commuters have been using this road due to the closure of Rims Road because of the construction. He warned of blocking the Rims Road if both Rims Road and Soram Leirak repairing is not complete before the monsoon.
Nong shooting among Sidaisa Masi Lotion View, the Tobanga Moidabo, Namaro, and declared Toraga Madu Hibu, Masima Loidibo, heavy faculties at Payaro, Adubo, Zaquina Uzabada, Masi, one of the important road Oibanina, Tangai for the 2 wheelers, Amasung, Akoige, light vehicle for Huller Bog at Payadra in a Kale, Masisumari Lainaba, Department Sing Amadi Contractor Singna, Masigi, Kanosi, Yangs and Biraga. Atuba matamda lambi si satpa yanaba sembiu haina thamjage.
Korkom has greeted the people of Manipur on the occasion of the 77th Nupilal Numit. In the message, the Korkom says the women of Manipur had fought against suppression and exploitation. A youth development club in Kabok Wakching Maning Lekai under Nambol constituency was inaugurated by MLA and Loken and handed over to the locals today. The club was constructed under the Local Area Development Fund. Speaking on the occasion, Loken said the creation of 7 new districts will help in better administration and also ensure that the government schemes reaches the needy. He also asserted that the Congress will form the next government. The 4th Kundongbam Brojendro Theatre Festival 2017 will be held from the 13th to 19th of next month. The festival is being hosted jointly by Kundongbam Brojendro Cultural Trust and Department of Art and Culture at Maharaj Chandrakirti Auditorium on Palace Compound. Members of Kundongbam Brojendro Cultural Trust, Director of Art and Culture and Manipur Government Consultant Dr. R.K. Nimai today discussed the details of the festival to be held on the theme Theatre for Unity. Various theatre groups from and outside the state will perform at the theatre. Red Shield Division today organized Manipur State Ex-Servicemen Rally 2016 at Laimakong. GOC Major General Sasank Shekhar Mishra of Red Shield Division, IG Major General Virendra Singh of IGAR South were among those who took part in the rally. Ex-servicemen of all 16 districts and more than 1,500 family members also took part in the rally. International Muay Thai Alliance Federation (INC) unit expressed its happiness at granting provisional Olympic status to the disciplines of Muay Thai and cheerleading by International Olympic Committee (IOC). The federation said with this historic approval, IMAFI will give extra efforts to see that Muay Thai gets its place in the Olympic arena. Now news from the world of sports. DM Rao Awang Sekmai have entered the quarterfinals of the 60th Sir Chorachand Singh KCSI CBA Memorial Football Tournament. In a pre-quarterfinal match played today, DM Rao Awang Sekmai defeated Nako Nambul Mapal 1-0. Thangi Orlean Konsai of DM Rao Awang Sekmai scored the lone goal in the 53rd minute of the match to reach the quarterfinals of the tournament. The tournament that kick-started on the 4th of this month is participated by 22 football teams, including 2 teams from outside the state. In the 14th knockout match tomorrow, Tidim Road Athletic Union Trao Kwakatil will meet North Imphal Sporting Association Nisa Thangmaiban. T. Brojan and H. Becker have entered the semi-finals of the men's open singles at the 6th CYLC State Level Open Tennis Tournament. In the quarterfinals played today, T. Brojan defeated Rahul Pamay 9-1, while H. Becker defeated Azad Khan 9-6 to enter the semi-finals. The tournament is organized by Association of Tennis Lovers Singjamai Chinga Mathak under the aegis of Manipur Tennis Association at CYLC Deco Turf. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Union Minister of Roads, Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari lays foundation stone for Barak and Makro bridges. Nitin Gadkari announces 22,000 crore rupees package for construction of roads in Manipur. Chief Minister Ukrami Bogi Singh urges Union Ministers Nitin Gadkari and Prakash Javadekar to request the Prime Minister to advise the UNC to end the blockade. Is BJP Manipur facing internal crisis? Two aspiring candidates accuse BJP leadership of voting political conference at the last minute. Rao Awang Sekmai defeated Nako Nambul Mapal to enter quarters of CC Mint.